What we are implying is that once you get a new contractor, you'll pick it from where the previous contractor left, and therefore there will be no loss, as it were. Since the foundation had been laid at a cost of 7 million or thereabouts, okay? The new contractor will pick it up from there. That's what I'm saying, in short.
Once as we are talking right now, the expenditure by the ministry has been stopped by the CS until, I believe, if the expenditure is not incurred in May and half of the June, I think it has to go to the following year. So as soon as this casting is removed, this is going to be a priority.
The what?
It will be a priority.
Okay.
We inherited a stalled project. We are not the ones who terminated the contract. We found the project as a stalled project. This is a project of 2013. That's when it stalled. We came to office in January 2016. So we really do not have all the factors around why the project was stalled.